Alright guys, so this is a question from biology and it reads, which of the following is the most inclusive level of classification in the Linnean system? Now this question is from the video that I created last where I talked about the hierarchical order of classification ranging from kingdom all the way down to species. Alright, and in that video I mentioned one imperative thing, and that is inclusivity and exclusivity. I told you that the top parts, being the kingdom, the domain, are the most inclusive, and the bottom parts are the most exclusive. Now, the key word here is inclusive. Inclusive. Now, you are to pick the option that is at the topmost parts of that classification, inclusive. Then if we read that, we started from domain and went down to kingdom, then phylum, then we went to class and all that stuff. So it means order and species among the lowest. So if we were to eliminate options, I will begin by eliminating order. So order can be the right answer here. Then you see class can be an answer here. So the answer will be between kingdom and phylum. So the between kingdom and phylum, the one that is higher up there in the ranking is actually kingdom. So phylum is lower in the ranking. So phylum cannot be the answer. And my answer to this question becomes kingdom. And remember, if the question were reversed and you were asked that which of them is the most exclusive, then you were to pick the one the lowest. So if we're to do that, we use Dear King Philip came over for good soup. Dear King Philip came over for good soup. So it means according to the reading, the most exclusive here would have been order. You see that now? Yeah. And the most inclusive here is kingdom, and that becomes my answer.